Tiffany, and I'm here to tell you about my virgin Cambodian hair install. Okay, first it's from superiorhair1.com and it's 16 inches, and the sew-in was done by Wana with Couture Weaves, but she has a YouTube channel called Couture Weaves 1, and that's Couture with the K. Okay, first the hair is, I love it. I've had it in for about 2 weeks now, and I've washed it once, and I have to say it's really soft. I've worn Indian Remy hair, and it's really soft and bouncy. That's the only difference I can tell from Cambodian hair to virgin Indian hair. That is much softer. The curl, it curls really well. Actually, the first day I got the install, my stylist curled it all over, and at the end of the video I'll show you pictures of what it looked like. But it curls really well, and I let it just I left it like that all week. I let the curls fall, and I just combed through them with a wide tooth comb, and it was really nice. I got lots of compliments. I'll just show you guys. My stylist, she cut layers in it to make it look more natural. And right now I just wet it a little bit, and I just wet it a little bit, and that's why you see the soft waves in it. So this is kind of how it looks when you let it air dry. And I love it. You can put your hands through it, and it's just really bouncy and beautiful and soft. So that's just my take on virgin Cambodian hair from superiorhair1.com. You should check it out.